What's up, my little pumpkins, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen, and happy Halloween! Today, we are going to be making no food coloring required black Halloween pancakes. Alright, let's get this thing started. First, we got Cam J on the camera. Say what up. What's up? Haha. Boo! Haha. High five. Nice. Happy Halloween. Let's go. Let's jump into these things, alright? Recipe in the description below. Alright, we got a bowl, sifter. Alright, let's get our dry ingredients going. A cup and a third of all-purpose flour. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 4 tablespoons of sugar. And to make it black cocoa powder. Link in the description below for this. We also use this for the Venom Latte. Do 1/3 cup. And we'll just sift that together. And totally forgot to put salt in. 3/4 teaspoon. Alright, let's put that off to the side. Let's do our wet ingredients. We got 3/4 cup of milk, whole milk. You can use buttermilk for extra credit. We got 2 whole eggs. And we got 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Jump scare! And let's whisk those wet ingredients up. Now let's combine our wet and dry ingredients together. Alright, let's incorporate that in while trying to hold the camera. Let's mix this up. I can tell this is already a little thick. Oh, just great. Whose idea was it to put this on the fridge? I think it was your idea, dude. Oh, well, good idea. Milk. So we're gonna add about 1/4 cup more of milk. Alright, that's looking much better. Now you just wanna mix until incorporated. Lumps are okay. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're ready to go. Alright, we got some butter going in a non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat. Alright, let's get some batter in there. We're gonna let that cook until we start seeing bubbles form on the top. Alright, the top is getting bubbly. Time to flip. And we're just gonna let that cook for about another minute. Alright, and done. Let's cook a few more. Alright, so we got our stack of pancakes. Throw a slice of butter on there. And some maple syrup. And you got black Halloween pancakes. Black Halloween pancakes. With no food dye. Extra credit. Put your batter into a little squeeze tube. You can find these anywhere. I picked this one up from a dollar store. And then you can do shapes. Min wanted a bat. Ah, broke his wing. Let's get that little broken piece too. Boom, you got a nice little bat pancake. Can we do real talk for a minute? These are good, they look good, but let me be honest with you, they're not as good as regular buttermilk pancakes. First of all, we didn't use buttermilk. But second of all, that black cocoa powder that we use adds a lot of dryness to the pancake, so it's not as moist as a regular pancake would. So these are cool for Halloween, but that's about the only time I would recommend them for. Black Halloween pancakes. Black Halloween pancakes. Black Halloween Black Halloween pancakes. Hey, if you like this and you want to see more, subscribe. And thank you for watching. These are a little too big. I'm gonna go make some smaller ones for the thumbnail.